Morning, guys. It's Friday the 9th of October, and it's Passive Income Friday day, I'm calling it. And I just wanted to show you one of the passive incomes that I'm in at the moment. It's got a fund of over $8 million that it's paying out to people like you and I. And if I scroll down, I want to show you what I'm making. Okay, so as you can see here, this is what I deposited, which is 2,700 TRX. And if I get my calculator and put the 2,700 and then I times that by 310%, because that's what I'm gonna get back. So it's 8,370. As you can see here, I've withdrawn 7,000 and I've got another 1,350 odd to withdraw there. So I've already got to my 310% ROI. But let me show you another account. I'm just gonna swap my wallets because I've got another one of these accounts. You can have as many of these accounts as you like. Where is it? Here it is, here. So in this one, I deposited 10,000. I've got available to withdraw 4,860. I've already withdrawn this down here. So again, this 10,000, if I get my calculator again, that's going to give me a 310% ROI. So if I do the 10,000 and times that by 310% ROI, that's going to give me 31,000 back, because I put in 10,000, I'm going to get 310,000. So that's 310% ROI. Just mind blowing. Now, what I will also be doing, guys, because I want to show you a couple of other things. So I'm sorry that I've blurred out the actual token, because this is only going to be for people that are in my first income stream. So just look at this. If you wanted to put in, say, $500 worth of Tron, so let's just get the Tron up. So if I said $500, okay, and then divide that by the price of Tron, 0.025, okay, is roughly 2,000 Tron, 20,000 Tron, sorry. So 20,000. Look at this. It's going to give you a return every 10 days of $192. If you wanted to double that up and put 40,000 in, that's every 10 days. That's going to give you $384, and that will just keep running and keep running. So it's going to give you what, $38.40 a day. Okay, so let's just have a look at what that is. You know, that's if you put in $1,000. Okay, but at the end of it, you know, you're going to be able to get your principal back plus the profit. If it's giving you just over $38 a day, let's times that by 30 days. Okay, 30 days, that's 1,152 in 1 month. You could pledge in 5,000 straight away. At the end of 1 month, you're $152 in profit, and you've got your principal back, and you're now farming for absolutely free. And this is 100% passive. Everything I'm going to be sharing with you is passive. But what I've got is the piece of the resistance, if you like. I've got a passive site that I'm in at the moment. I want to test it now for a few more days, but it's mind-blowing of what you can earn in that as well. Just mind-blowing. All passive income. Now, what I will also be doing is I've started to review. So far, I've reviewed 97 DeFi projects, okay? And I'm going to be doing a video on that review. I'm also going to be doing a video on showing you, you know, what to recognize, what could potentially be a scam, what could potentially losing all your money, what potentially could make you a lot of money. Obviously, everything that you do with trading, mining, farming, staking, everything comes with a certain amount of risk. Okay, nothing's risk-free, but nothing in life is risk-free. You know, if you opened up a restaurant now, you'd probably be climbing up the wall with all these COVID lockdowns and whatnot. And so every business you go in, you must treat it like a business. And I'm going to do a video on risk management as well to show you, you know, if you've got some money that you're going to be investing, whether it be $10 or $100 or $1,000 or $100,000, how to spread that to get passive income to bring you a regular income in by lowering the risk. Now, if you want to know how to do this stuff and you want to get into passive incomes, then leave me a comment below this video, or if you've got this, if I've sent you this out in an email, you're going to get a button under the email. So click the button, it will take you to the first passive income. But if you're not on my list and you want to know about passive incomes, leave me a comment below the video and I shall be send you some information. You have an amazing day, have an amazing weekend. I'm going to have a passive weekend, earning money 24 hours a day, and I want you to be able to do the same. I'll see you in another video. Bye now.